Hey everybody, another update on the Volvo. I am still working on replacing the wiring harness. You can see where I've got the new harness in places and still have stuff going, but I ran into an issue. It turns out on 1993 Volvos there is more than one wiring harness, and the only wiring harness that you can get from Dave Barton has this connector on it, and this is what powers your fuel pump relay. That should go into a box. It's attached here. This car does not have that, so I'm gonna have to make some adaptations to be able to use this because it doesn't have the right connector, but we'll get it done. Bye.